Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Lexus RX330 and RX350 2003 to 2009? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your SUV's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Passenger compartment fuse box. In the Lexus RX330 and RX350 2003 to 2009, the passenger compartment fuse box protects circuits for systems such as rear power windows, the fuel filler door opener, front fog lights, the OBD diagnostic port, wiper heater, stability and ABS control, tilt steering, sunroof, and multiplex communication modules. Engine compartment fuse box. In the Lexus RX330 and RX350 2003 to 2006, the engine compartment fuse box supports high current systems including the alternator, 140 amps, ABS and stability control modules, electric cooling fans, and rear window defogger. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2007 to 2009 Lexus RX330 and RX350 supports major systems through high-amp links, powering ABS, key ECU circuits, lighting and accessories, along with a dedicated fuse for air suspension models. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.